Hello everyone, this is AJ and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about what exactly is whey protein. Before we go ahead with the steps of how it is manufactured, let's talk in simple terms. What exactly is whey protein? So in layman terms, I would say the protein which is derived from whey. As simple as that. So now comes the next question, that is, what exactly is this whey? If you might have ever observed closely when looking at the curd, the watery portion that separates from the curd that you can look at when you actually have a close look, that is the part known as whey. And the protein that we derive from that is simply nothing but the whey protein. Now, since we understood what is the basic term for whey protein, now let's talk about what are the different steps involved. As I initially mentioned, it is manufactured in 3 different steps. Let's talk about the first step in manufacturing it. So the first step involves separating the whey from the actual milk, and this is actually done before pasteurization. So some people might ask, what actually is pasteurization? Heating the milk. So when you consume milk, you heat it before you have it. So that is nothing but pasteurization. But heating it at a certain temperature, that is when we call it pasteurization instead of boiling. That concludes the first step. Now coming to the second step. In the second step, they actually follow a process called HTST pasteurization. And it stands for high temperature, short time pasteurization. So as it clearly explains, the whey, which we separated it from the milk, is heated for a short period of time, but at extremely high temperatures. To be more precise, the whey is actually heated at a temperature of 161 degrees Fahrenheit. For the Indian viewers, to be precise, it would be 71 degrees centigrade for almost about 15 seconds. Once the heating, the second step is done, now we'll be proceeding to the third and the final step, which is filtering. In the third step, that is filtering, we'll be actually isolating, or let's say removing the protein from the liquid whey, and so that we can go ahead and now proceed with the final step. Now the final product, the protein, is divided into different types based on the kind and the size of the filter and the number of times it has been filtered. Because the finer the filter and the more number of times it is filtered, you get the more purest form of the protein, and which we know by different names based on its purity, like isolate, concentrate, and hydrolysate. So I'll be talking about this various different types of protein, how and who should be consuming it in the next upcoming video. So thank you so much for watching the video, and please do subscribe to this channel. Have a great day.